Your accounts receivable chart of accounts will be used to track and report your center's revenue. Every payment, charge, and credit entered in SchoolLeader will be bucketed into one of these sub-accounts. Your receivables chart of accounts also provides the interface to your company QuickBooks via the optional QuickBooks connector. To begin, click on Accounting along the main menu. Click on Accounts Receivable. Now, click on AR Rules. Next, click on Edit AR Subsidiary Chart of Accounts. The Receivables Chart of Accounts window is displayed. Let's discuss each column. The sub-account number is the unique, numeric value you assign. The account must be all numbers. No blanks or special characters. And must be between 1 and 4 characters long. You cannot delete or change the 101 tuition account, however, you can change the description. The description column simply contains the sub-account description. For example, tuition, late fees, enrollment fees, etc. The GL parent account column is the receiving GL account when uploading this receivables activity to the SchoolLeader general ledger. If you are not using the SchoolLeader GL system, then leave this column blank. The QuickBooks mapped account column defines the name of the QuickBooks account, which will be receiving this receivables data. If you are not using the SchoolLeader QuickBooks connector, then leave this column blank. The tuition revenue column indicates that this sub-account represents tuition revenue, as opposed to non-tuition revenue, such as revenue from school activities or meals. Several SchoolLeader reports distinguish between tuition revenue and non-tuition revenue. If a sub-account represents tuition revenue, then double-click on the tuition revenue box, and the checkbox will appear. The allocation order column is used to define the priority order in which to apply payments to outstanding charges. This would only apply if the customer was not paying their full balance. 1. Tells SchoolLeader to allocate payments to this sub-account first. 2. Tells SchoolLeader to allocate payments to this sub-account next, and so on. This is a particularly useful tool when paying royalties on certain types of revenue ahead of other revenue. If you are a private business that doesn't particularly care about the order of how payment money is allocated, then you can set all of these allocations to 1. The sub-accounts, bad debt, escrow, and prepay, are mandatory SchoolLeader accounts, and cannot be deleted.